all to IBC who all are cleared SBI clerk. Congratulations and all the best for your mains. One of the topic in mains clerk exams, they will ask quadratic equation. So in prelims you will get easy level of the questions, but in mains you will get difficult. In the sense, question formation is difficult, but actually this is also easy, not so difficult, we can able to solve. But instead of directly they are given quadratic equation, indirectly they will give. So one of the question, this two equation 1 and 2 are given below. You have solved both the equation, answer we have to find, compare. So this is a 1, x root x to the power of 4. X to the power of 4 I can write x square whole square. Then root. Then this will get cancelled. Then root, that answer will be x square plus. That I will write as it is 3 root 2. I can't do any simplify that into. This I can do root 8 x square root cancel, x it will come outside. Root 8 I can write, root 8 I can write 4 into 2, root 4 into 2, root 4 answer is 2, 2 into root 2, 2 into root 2. So this complete value will be 2 root 2. How much? 2 root 2. Now remaining minus 10 square is 100, 2 cube is 8. If it come, this is also minus, then 100 minus 8 minus 108 equal to 0. Again if I write this multiplication 3 into 2, if I multiply this number and this number, 3 2s are 6, root 2 that will be root 4 answer is 2, 6 2s are 12. Then if I final equation of this equation will be x square plus, here final outside it's come ix, actually outside it came x, here x square 12x minus 108. See, in prelims they are given directly this. Now we have to calculate this. Okay, applications. Now we know if I split it, quadratic equation how to solve, we know 108. It will come in which table? Okay, that we have to know. And if I do subtraction or addition, I want 12. 108, it will come 18 into 6. 18 6 the 108, 18 and 6 subtraction, you will get 12. This is one way. Suppose if you are not getting 18 and 6 at a time, if you are not getting, we have one more method. If you are not getting that value, so if you get, that is good actually. If you are not able to find out factors of 108, you can do like this. 12 minus means multiply coefficient of x square with that number minus 108. 12 of 6 square is 36. Now we have to add 36 and 108, it will be 144. Root 144 is 12. Okay, root 144 is 12. Now one time addition, one time subtraction, plus 12 and minus 12, 18 and 6, 18 6 are 108. So like this we can find out. So 18 and 6 is the roots of this equation. Question have plus minus, then answer will be minus plus. Answer will be minus plus. This is the x answer. Same way we have to calculate second equation also. So how to solve second equation, Sarah? Here as it is minus 96. According to BODMAS rule, first we have to solve brackets. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 will be 4. 4 into 5, 20. Then minus 96 plus 20 y square root and get cancel this, then y it is equal to y to the power of 5 into 5 to the power of n plus 2 divided by 25 here y to the power of 4 root n, again y square because root if I cancel it will be y square into y in whole again 5 to the power of n. Now a to the power of m into a to the power of n. Here we have y square into y. We have an equation in indices a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Here y square plus 1 y cube, this y cube out of y cube, here y to the power of 5, then cube cancel, remaining will be y square. One more property, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Here y I have 5 times, here y I have 3 times. If I cancel 3 times, remaining will be 2. Here remaining will be y square. Now here 5n 25. This I can write 5 square also. This 25 I can write 5 square into 5 to the power of n. Again a to the power of m into a to the power of n plus 2. Again n plus 2 cancel, remaining will be y square. But all quadratic equation we have to write in the format of ax square plus bx plus c format. Then if I shift this number this side right side, y square I have right side as it is minus 20y plus 96 is equal to 0. Now 96 we have to check in which table it will come 96. That if we check, we can find out roots of that equation. So 96 it will come which table, that is the important here. So 12 into 8, 12 8s are 96. So again the roots of this equation is 12 and 8. Question has minus, answer will be plus. It is the y value. So y value is 12 minus 8, x value is equal to minus 18 and plus 6. If I compare x and y value, minus 18 plus 12, this is greater, minus 18 and plus case, minus and plus case, plus is greater, and 6 and 12, this is greater, which means y is greater than x. Your final answer will be y is greater than x. So option B is the answer. I hope everyone is clear in this question. Next question we will see. In mains we will have time. So quadratic equation definitely you will get 2 or 3 questions in mains. If we like these questions, we can able to solve easily. But little bit basic concept you should know. After that we can solve it. Powers, indices, those concepts you should know. Here if you see this question again, so this is also easy, not so difficult. X to the power of 1 by 3 into 3, a to the power of m whole to the power of n, a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn, then 3 get cancelled, only remaining will be x minus 3. If it plus 12, if it comes this side, it become minus 12. Directly I can write it, minus 3 and minus 12 will be minus 15. Let's wait it, we will write it later. Then minus 56, x square, this get cancelled, minus 56 by x. Now x minus 15 whole to this x, if it comes this side, it will be into x equal to 56. If I write that equation, x square minus 15x, this 56 also if it comes this side, minus 56 equal to 0. 8 7s are 56. So the roots of this equation is 8 and 7. Question as minus minus, answer will be plus minus. If I do, I will get 15. Okay, 8 and 7, if I add, I will get that. So 8 and 7, 8 sevens are 56. Minus minus means it will be plus, it will be minus. That will be your final answer. Plus 7 and minus 8. 8 sevens are 56. If I add, I will get minus minus. But if I do subtraction, I will get plus say 56. It should be not 8 and 7, because if I do minus 8 minus 7 minus 15, right, but minus into minus it become plus. Let's check it. Yeah, see, this we did wrong here. It is minus 56. If it comes this side, it become plus 56. This is minus 56. If it comes this side, it become plus 56. Then it is right. 8 and 7, 8 sevens are 56, right. Then question as minus plus, answer will be plus minus. Okay, your answer will be plus minus. That will be your final answer. 8 sevens are 56. Final answer it is. Your final answer will be 8 and 7. I hope it is clear. First equation. Second equation. Let's solve second equation. 1 as it is. Root 121 we know 11. 1 plus 11 by y as it is. 1 plus 11 by y. 11 by y minus 6 into 7. 6 sevens are 42 y square equal to 0. This is the equation. So y square, y quadratic, y square will be the LCM. Okay, then this will be y square 11y y square plus 11y minus 42 equal to 0. Then y square, if I shift to this side, it becomes 0. Then your final equation will be y square plus 11y minus 42 is the equation. 42 it will come in which table we have to check. 7 into 6, 7 6 are, but 7 and 6 it will become more. Then which table we have to check it. 42 it in which table it will come. 14 and 3 it will come again 42. Then 14 3s are 42. So the equation of y is equal to 14 into 3. 14 3s are 42. Question as plus minus, then answer will be minus plus. X answer will be, x will be plus 8 and minus 7. X will be plus 8 and minus 7. Plus 8 minus 14, plus 8 is greater. Plus 8 and plus 3, 8 is greater. Minus 7 minus 14, minus 7 is greater. Minus 7 plus 3 is the greater. Then answer will be cannot be determined. Option A. I hope it is clear.
See next question. If you see here, the question is x into x to the power of 4 by 3 whole to the power of 3 by 4. We have in one indices a to the power of m whole to the power of n. Then a to the power of m whole to the power of n, answer will be a to the power of mn. So here if you solve this, x to the power of 4 by 3 whole to the power of 3 by 4, which means here 4 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, only x will be the remaining L. Here x is the remaining, here also one x into x square. That's the first term. Then we know root of 169 is 13, x square and root get cancelled, minus 13x is equal to, if I solve here, 18 into 8 and 3. Here it will be 8, 2 cube. Cube root of 27 will be 3. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 into 18, 198. If it comes this side, minus 198. 198 it will come. 18 into 11 if I multiply. This is 18. If I solve this equation will be 11. Fine. So this is the equation. We have to solve it. Then 198 we know already. Just we solved here 18 into 11 factors of 198. But I want 13. It won't come here. Then I will small modification I will do. Can I write if I give 2 here because I can't split 11. Only I can factors only 18. 18 I can do split or I can do factors of 18. 9 and 2. 2 if I give here 9 and 22 is the factors of 198 also. Then 22 and 9 is the answer. Question has minus minus, answer will be plus minus. So X answer will be 22 and minus 9. Okay, final answer will be 22 and minus 9. That will be the final answer. Next. So that is the X. Now Y if I solve. Okay, Y if I solve. So here Y square. Square and root get cancelled. Remaining Y only we have. Then 8y cube this. See 2y. Directly I can write. How to write? I will explain here. 8y cube whole cube. The meaning of this 8 8 1 to the power of 3 into y cube whole cube. That is the meaning of that. Which means this cube we have for 8 also, this cube we have y by 3 also. This 3 get cancelled. This 8 1 by 3 means cube root of 8. Cube root of 8. Cube root of 8 is 2. So directly I can write it. So into 2y. How much it will be? 2y. 2y into y. 2y square. Directly I can write 2y square. 2y square plus here 6a plus 1, 6a plus 2, 6a plus 1, 6a plus 1 cancel, remaining 6 to the power of 1 I have. Yes, how to solve that? How to get that value? See now, this part I will explain. Here I will write it. 6 to the power of a plus 2 divided by 6 to the power of a plus 1. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So if I shift denominator to numerator, here 6a plus 2 minus a plus 1 it will come, then minus a minus 1, minus a plus a cancel, plus 2 minus 1 will be plus 1, 6 to the power of 1. That's why I told you 6 to the power of 1. 7 into 6 to the power of 1, 7 6 is 42 y we have there, 42y plus 15 square is 225. 15 square is 225 minus 5. 225 minus 5 will be 220 equal to 0. I can take it 2 common, y square plus 21y plus 110 equal to 0. So that will be your answer. If I solve 21, 11 tens are 110, 11 and 10. So roots of that equation will be 11 and 10. So if I solve this equation, I will get 11 and 10. Question as plus plus, answer will be minus 1s. Now the question x also I know, x will be 22 on minus line, y will be this. If I take 22, this is greater number, 22 on minus 10 plus case it is greater, minus 9 minus 11, this is greater, this is greater. X is greater than y. It is the equation. I hope it is clear. See, this question is as it is previous question, but the question they are asking different way. We are using previous data only. So X answer in previous question we got, that will be previous question. Whatever we got answer previous question will be 22 and 10 will be the previous question we got data. 22 and minus 10. And Y answer we got 11 and 10, minus 11 and minus 10. That data I'm instead of you solving again, well, I'm using that data only. because we already solved the same question, but the question is different. Now, what is the question they are given? If k is the sum of the larger root of the both the equation. So k value what they are saying means sum of the larger root in both the equation. First equation larger root will be 22. In second equation larger root will be 10. If I add both 22 plus into minus 10, which means 22 minus 10, if I add, both answer will be 12, means k value will be 12. Now the first statement, the number of factors of k is 6. Let's solve it. Number of factors, how to find out? 12 means 4 into 3. 4 means 2 square. We have to write it prime factors always. 3 means 3 to the power of 1. To find out factors always, how to find out factors of any equation, number of factors, how to find out means whatever you have power, just increase by 1, because any power 1 is also factor of any number. So here you have 2, then into plus 1, 3 into. Here I have 1 plus 1, 2. 3 2s are 6. That is the number of factors. Here also I have number of factor with 6. Then first statement is right. Second statement, k square. K square means 144. 144 number of factors of k square is 36. Let's solve it. 144 means 12 into 12. Okay, 12 into 12. 12 I can write it 4 into 3. Here also 12 I can write it 4 into 3. 4 I have one time. 4 I have one time. 4 I have total 2 times. 2 to the power of 4 then. Because 4 square 16. 16 means 2 to the power of 4 into 3 and 3 total 2 times I have, that is 3 square. Now number of factors, how to, I told you how to find out. 4 I have, which means plus 1, 5. 2 I have, plus 1, 3. 5 3 is a 15 is the number of factor, but here I have 36, which is wrong. Second statement is wrong. Next, third statement, if you see, if one of the roots of that equation x square plus 27x plus q is equal to 0 is minus k plus 1. So one of the roots of that equation. This is a question. This question root, one root will be, see, root means, for example, x here, I have 22 and 10. These are roots. One root will be 22, one root will be minus 10. Here in the question, they are given one root will be minus k plus 11. My k value we know is 12. Minus 12 plus 11. So minus into minus plus. Minus, I mean, it becomes 12, minus 12 and minus 11. So I hope it is clear. So k value we know, k 12 plus 11, that is 23 minus 23. That's the value of that one root will be. So one root we know that minus 23. K value, if I substitute here 12 plus 11, 23 minus 23, minus we have. One root will be minus 23. Then how to find out other root? Here some basic concept you should know. In quadratic equation we have two concepts. Sum of the roots. If the equation, quadratic equation is x square minus bx plus c. Means if the question a quadratic equation always in this format, I will show you. Always the format of quadratic equation will be ax square plus bx plus c. Then to find out sum of the roots will be, sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. Like that, product of the roots is equal to c by a. Now, one root I know minus 23. One root I know minus 23. Other root I need to find out. So, sum of the both the roots will be minus b by a. So, this is the question. So, in this question, x square plus 27x plus q is equal to 0. This is the sum of the roots, both minus b by a. So, sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a means minus b value is 27, minus 27 by a value will be coefficient of x square 1. So sum of the roots will be minus 27. but here I have one root. Out of both if I add, I will get minus 27. Then if one value will be 27, I mean one value will be 23, then other root value will be minus 4. One value will be 23, other value will be minus 4, then sum of the roots will be 27. Like that I can find out other root. So in this equation, sum of the roots is 23 and 4, minus 23 and minus 4. Now then the value of the unknown is 90. In this question, unknown is q. Q means product of the roots. See, C by A. C by A means that's a product. It is C. We know, right? It's a product. If I add or subtract, I want this sum. If I product, if I do, I want this value. So product is this value. Roots product 23 and 4 92. Minus 92 is the product of that roots. But here I have 90. So this equation is also wrong. Okay, this equation is also wrong. So your answer will be only statement 1 is right. 25 by 7, 7 fours are 28, 4 into 25, 100. Root 100 is 10, x power of 4 and square cancel. This equation is 10x square. It is easy, only 10x square. First equation. So I will repeat. You have like this equation 28 into 25 by 7. 7 ones are 7 fours are 25 into 4 100 x to the power of 4 whole root square get cancelled, remaining will be x square, root 100 also 10, so that will be 10x square. We know root 125 cube root of 125, we know it is 5, x power of 6 and cube root, then x square. I hope everyone knows that how to do that. Say now, cube root of 125 is 5 into x to the power of 6, cube root means 1 by 3, square root means 1 by 2, then 3 ones are 3 twos are, then a 5x square plus 729, that will be 9, cube root of 729 is 9, 9 into x 9x plus cube root of 6 cube. First you find out this. 6 cube is 216 minus 208 is 8, cube root of 8 is 2, equal to minus 4x plus, it is cube root of 8 is 2, x cube get cancelled, cube root of x cube and x cube and cube root get cancelled, remaining will be 8x 2x, that will be minus 4x plus 2x is minus 2x, minus 2x, if it come this side it will be plus 2x, and 9x 11x. Here 10x square plus 5x square is 15x square. I will rearrange it. 9x plus 2x plus 11x, sorry, minus plus 11x, because if it come this side it will become plus 11x, then it will be plus 2 is equal to 0. 15 twos are 30, 6 and 5 is the roots of this equation. 6 5s are 30, 6 and 5 is 11, divided by 15, divided by coefficient of x square, we have to write it. Question have plus plus, answer will be minus minus. That we have to write it minus minus. That is 1 by 3. I mean, sorry, 2 by 3 twos are 3 5s are 2 by 3, 2 by 5. Sorry, why I'm writing 2 by 5. 3 twos are 3 5s are 2 by 5 is 0.4, 40 percentage. 2 by, if I 3 twos are 3 5s are 2 by 5 is 40 percentage, 40% 0.4, 5 ones are 5 threes are, that is 0.33, 0.33, but both are minus minus, that is the x answer. Same thing we have to solve y also as it is. This if I solve 25 plus 39, 20 plus 30, 50 plus 14, 64. 64 is 8, 8 into 8, here 8. Cube root of total 3 8s, that is 8 only. Y 6, cube root get cancelled. I already explained this. That will be 8y square. If I solve this equation, 8y square. Total, if you do this, I will get 512. 512 of cube root is 8. y 6 cube root. I already explained this here. Y square plus square root of 625 is 25 y plus 81 root 9 equal to 36 is 6y minus 27 is 3 y cube get cancelled, that will be 3y. 6y and 3y is 3y. 3y if it comes this side, 3y if it comes this side, 25 minus 3y, that is 22y. So 8y square plus 22y plus 9 equal to 0. 8 9s are 72. 72, 18 into 4, 72. 18 4s are 72, 22 it will come. So roots of this equation is 18 4s are 72 divided by 8 divided by 8. This will be, both are plus, plus means quotient minus minus. Then if I solve this equation, 18 by 8, 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is 4.5. Okay, 9 by 2 it will, when I sorry, just build it. So it will be 9, it will be 4. 9 by 4, 2.25. 2.25. 2.25. 9 by 4. Okay, 4 point that minus minus 0.5. 1 by 8. Now we know this value, we can compare it. Now if I take this equation here, I will take it minus 2.25 and minus zero point 0.5. Minus case, which is the smaller, that will be larger root. Here minus 4 minus 2.5 minus 2.2, 2 point is greater. Minus 4 minus zero point 0.5, it is 40, it is 50. 40 and 50, in which is the smaller, that will be greater, remember it. So this will be greater, then answer will be here. Observe clearly. Okay, here you have to observe clearly, which is the smaller, that will be greater always. Okay, that will be greater. Okay, we have to compare this. If you compare, you will get x is greater than y. Here you will get answer. This is the x, this is the y. See, now it is 40 percentage. I will write it here if you want. It is 40 percentage. If you are comfortable, not comfortable with this method, you write it 40 percentage. 33 means 33.33 percentage minus both. It is 9 by 4. Okay, so 9 by 4, 1 by 4 is 25. Okay, then you can write 225 percentage also, minus 225 percentage, 50 percentage. You can write like this also. You can write like this also. Minus 40 minus 225. Okay, so minus 40 greater, minus 40 minus 50. Minus 40 is the greater, minus 33 minus 225. Minus 33 is the greater, minus 33 minus. So x is greater than y. I'm not looking greater, I'm looking small, whatever. So your answer will be that. I hope it is clear, everyone. See, this question also same as it is like a previous question only. Only question they are asking different. We already know x value of previous question, that same I will take it. X value will be in that question 0.4 and minus zero point 0.4 and minus 0.33. Y value will be in that statement minus 2.25 and minus one more is 0.5. See, one thing in minus case, smaller number will be greater. Greater number will be small. Like for example, if it is no symbol, like zero point 0.4, 40 percentage, 0.33. Which is the greater means 0.4 is the greater. If it is no symbol, no minus, it is 40 percentage, it is 33.33 percentage. 40% is greater. But in minus case, this will be the smaller, this will be the greater. Remember that. This will be the smaller, this will be the greater. So let's solve it. What is the question? If resultant is obtained, when the smallest root of the equation 2, smallest root of the second equation root smallest will be this, that is minus 2.25 is the smallest root of the second equation. I told you already it is 2.25, it is 0.5. Smallest I want. In minus case, bigger number will be the smaller. In minus case, 2.25 is multiplied with the 2. That will be minus 4.5. Resultant. First statement. Resultant is greater than minus 4. So resultant is minus 4.5. Is it greater than minus zero point 0.4? No, so point it is wrong, right? So point, so already I told you, my is it greater? No, it is smaller. The resultant is greater than point. It is minus 4. It is minus 4. No, it is wrong. It is okay. So we have to check it. See, in 45 and I mean for 4.5 and 4, if it is no minus, which is the greater? 4.5 is the greater. But in if I write minus, this will be the smaller. Okay, but in the question they are given greater, so it is wrong. 21.5. 21.5 is added with the result, that is 4.5. 21 4 7 18.5, that is 70. Is it divisible by 5? No, that is also wrong. Resultant is smaller than. So 4 point minus 4.5 is smaller than both smallest root. In first equation, smallest root will be 0.4. Second equation, 2.25. Both minus. Minus 4.5, zero point 0.4. Yes, it is smallest. Yes, it is smallest. So in both the case, it is smallest. So then it is your answer. I hope it is clear. Again, we'll solve one more question. I hope you understand all these questions. I will come with one more set which is most important in mains exam, how they will ask questions. The first thing you have to do it, everyone who are watching this video, do comment if you like this session. Also do like and subscribe. Also share with your friends who are cleared already SBI clerk. And this topic is the most important topic. I hope you enjoy it. So thank you. We'll meet you one more set.